Maths Guru channel. How you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to derive the formula that is centroid of a triangle. Okay. Now, here before going to derive that formula, first you should know what is centroid of a triangle. The point of congruency of a median. Point of congruency of the median is called a centroid of a triangle. Okay, now take one triangle. Just I am taking one triangle. Let us take ABC points. Let us take ABC points. Now here let us take A coordinates x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3. Okay. Now I am taking small construction here. From A, take one median. Okay, so let us take D point. Now AD divides that. This is the centroid of a triangle. This is a centroid. Point of congruency of medians is called centroid. No? This is a centroid of a triangle. Let us consider G. Let us consider point G. Okay. Now it divides the AD in the ratio 2:1. It divides the AD in the ratio 2:1 internally. Okay. So here G is the centroid of a triangle. That point G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Okay. Now first find the coordinates of D. How to get coordinates of D? Just this is the midpoint of BC. No, midpoint of BC. Now you can find the midpoint. How to find the midpoint? By adding the coordinates of B and C, then you will get the midpoint of D coordinates. Okay. Now just I am writing ABC is a triangle. Triangle ABC. AD is the median. AD is the median of triangle. Now coordinates, take it. A is coordinates x1, y1. B coordinates x2, y2. C coordinates x3, y3. Now we want to find out the coordinates of D. So AD is the median, means D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. D is midpoint of BC. So D, how to get? D points you can get x1, that we have one formula, x1 x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is midpoint formula. So here x1 plus x2, this is, let us take x1, this is x2, so x2 plus x3 by 2, x2 plus x3 by 2, next y2 plus y3 by 2. These are the coordinates of D. Okay. Now after getting these 2 points, now let us take A x1, y1. Okay. Now previous video only we derived that if any point divides that line segment in the ratio some n1 is to m2, then internally, then the formula I said yesterday, means previous video. Here let us take m1 is to m2, that is 2:1. Next here let us take, this is the x1, y1 as it is. Here this is, let us take x2, this is y2. Okay. Now we have formula any point intersect means divides in the ratio m1 is to m2, then we have formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, see, that only we took yesterday, m1 y2 plus m2 y1. Now all the values you know, this is m1, this is m2. So m1 is 2, m2 is 1. Next to this is the x1, x2, y1, y2. Okay, all you can substitute here, you will get the centroid of a triangle. Okay, now m1 is 2, x2. x2 is what? Here, this full value, let us take x2. Okay, so x2 plus x3 by 2. Okay, so m1 x2 plus m2 x1. m2 is what? 1 into x1 means x1 only. Okay, divided by m1 plus m2 means that 2 plus 1. m1 is 2, m2 is 1, so 2 plus 1. Next to m2 y1. m2 is 2, sorry, m1 y2. m1 is 2. Okay, y2 means what? This is y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Okay, plus m2 is 1 into y1. Okay, divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, just all the values we are substituting in this formula. Okay, section formula. Now 2 will get cancelled. Here also 2 will get cancelled. At last you will get centroid of a triangle. See, in order I am writing x1 plus x2 plus x3. Okay, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Now 1 into y1, y1. Okay, 1 into y1, y1. y1 plus y2 plus y3. Okay, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, this is the section formula. This is the section formula we applied here. Section formula we applied here. Now you got it. Centroid of a triangle. What is the formula for centroid of a triangle? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Bye. Have a nice day.